Hi guys and welcome to MotorBeam. I'm sitting right now on the R15 version 3, but this isn't the stock bike. There's some modifications on it and Yamaha says it is offering these accessories to every R15 owner. Some of these accessories are quite interesting because they are race spec. Let's quickly look at them. This motorcycle has a tank guard and we all know that the all digital instrument cluster of the R15 now gets a lot of more features. In fact, it even tells you bye when you turn off the motorcycle. The bike looks very nice, seating position is aggressive, but the seat isn't that tall anymore, and seat covers are also available as an accessory. This is the red colored bike. It gets VVA, so it's a 155cc engine, single cylinder, 4 valves, liquid cooled, produces 19.3 PS of power, a big jump up from the old bike, and the tire size is also increased, so the rear is now a 140 section. This one gets a Daytona exhaust and it will sound absolutely crazy. But what they have done is given this motorcycle a race spec tire, which they say, and it is a Metzeler M5 Interact tire, similar type as on the Duke. Will offer much better grip, but the point of this tire is kind of beaten because at the front you still get an MRF. So we see it, Nilo grip zapper MRFs. So it does get a slipper clutch as standard, the R15 version 3, but unfortunately it misses out on ABS. It's not even available as an option, which is kind of shocking. Price at rupees 1.25 lakhs ex-showroom. The R15 version 3 is definitely going to sell in hot numbers, and I'll just show you the other blue version. This is finished in Yamaha's racing blue, and Yamaha says it gets the RDNA, so the design is similar to what we see on the R1 and the R6. And good news is they have also displayed both the R1 as well as the R6. Let's quickly look at the R6. There it is. Of course, they have no plans to launch the R6 in India, but we do have the R1. So guys, crucial question, will you buy the R15 version 3 or will you buy the Aprilia RS4 150? That bike also gets ABS dual channel as standard and the option of a quick shifter. Yes, a 150cc bike with the option of a quick shifter. Please let me know in the comment section below.